Hello and welcome to the Cheers Registry Training Series. In this video we will be demonstrating form assignments. So this functionality will allow a user to assign a form to a specific site member. So what this does is it will notify that user that there is a document within the registry that needs their attention. And so there's two different ways that we can do this. So if we go down here, so we're in site details right now. This also can be done from community site management for the residential production builders. I cover that process in the community site creation and management video. So if you want to know more about that, go ahead and check out that video. But for form assignments from site details, that's what we're going to cover in this video here. So we have two different ways within site details that you can use this form assignment tool. The first one is going to be at the form itself. So each form that is in a not started or not signed state will have this little icon here to the side. And you can see when you put your pointer on it, it has a little tool tip there that says assign, and we can see this one up here. It's a different color, but it still has that same assignment button. So that's the first way you can do it. The second way you can do it is if you want to assign all forms in the same category. So we have three forms all in the mechanical system 1 category, and for example, these are all going to be done by the same HVAC contractor. So you can either do each form individually, or you can use the button here at the top to assign all of those documents to a single user in one step. So if I go ahead and click on this link here, it's going to show you. Now it's not going to list all three because that first document was already completed, but it will show you the second and third document. And what you'll notice here as well is for this second document, it has a sent at a date and a time associated with it. So when we go back to the main screen here, you can tell that this one is orange and it also says assigned. So this one has been previously assigned where this one has not. So if we go back in here, what we can do is we have two options within here. If a document has been previously assigned to a user, you can send them a reminder. So we give you the date and time so that you know when it was last sent to that user, and if a specific time, whatever you want, you think it's been too long since you sent it and they still haven't responded, you can send it to them again, and it will update the date and time to match whatever the most recent assignment that's been made. So what we'll do here is we have both of these listed here. I want to have them both sent to this HVAC contractor, and so I go ahead and I can send, and it's going to send it off to that particular user. So once I do that, it's going to process it. It's going to let you know up here in our green bar that the documents have been assigned. And now we can see we're both in orange. They both show as assigned. And if I want to know, well, who was this document assigned to? All I need to do is open up that document, and up here in the corner, it lets me know that the assigned person for this document is this Rod Tamayo HVAC contractor user. Now once this document starts to get filled out, and if you sign as a document author, well, it's going to list that there, and then you can either leave it open for someone else to sign, or you can assign someone as a responsible party, and when you do that, you're going to assign it to someone other than yourself. It will update this to whoever you assigned that document to as the responsible party. So it's a way for you to track here at the top who's been assigned and for what purpose have they been assigned. So we'll go ahead and close out of there. So when this assignment is made, the user will get alerts. Now if they haven't turned off their alerts, they're going to get either a web alert or a web alert and an email alert. So web alerts will be seen up here. So if we click and open this here, we can see that this user's been assigned to complete a document, and we provide them with a link that'll jump them right into that particular form. So if I click on this, it's going to take me right into it. I don't have to search for it. I don't have to look for it. It just takes me right there. I can fill in my information, sign it, and just move on to the next item that's on my list until I've got them all taken care of. The other alert that they might receive is an email alert. So I'll go ahead, let me open up here. So here's an example of an email alert that they might receive. So a user really doesn't even have to visit the registry to go in and search for anything. We provide them with a quick link within that email. We give them some basic information, the form, the address, what system it is, if it's HVAC specific, so they know exactly where they're going. They just click on the quick link here. Again, it's going to take them right in. It's going to open that form up for them so they can fill it out and sign that document and be done with it, and then just move on to the next email that has an alert. If multiple forms were assigned at the same time, then this might have a link to multiple forms. So you might have assigned all three of them, and he can go in, the contractor can go in, click on the quick link, and go through and fill out all those forms all in a single step. So we've made it very easy for the users that are assigned documents to come into the registry or through their email to quickly and easily access those documents to complete them. So if we go back in here, we open up site details. So that's it. So these users are assigned. Now this doesn't limit who can complete the form. Anybody that is a member of the site can come in, open the form and complete it, apply their signature. You can change who the assignment is if you need to change it to a different user. You just click on the assign button, select a different user, so it needs to be this company instead. Click on send, and it's going to now update it and assign it to that new person. So you can change it to whoever you need to until the document gets completed. So that pretty much covers our form assignments for site details. Again, as I mentioned, we have a separate tool for community site management where you can also assign documents, but the overall process is the same. The alerts are the same, and those users can come in and complete those documents as they would like. So as always, if you have any further questions, comments, concerns, feel free to reach out to us. Give us a phone call, shoot us an email. We'd be more than happy to help you through whatever issues you are encountering. So that's pretty much the end of form assignments. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day.